In this video, we will show how to perform the spatial interpolation of the RX index in the south of Portugal using the QGIS software. So first open QGIS and let's add the study area to the project. You can click on the button on the left that says Add Vector Layer, or go to the Layer menu and select Add Vector Layer. Then browse your computer to find the study area boundary, which is inside the study area folder. Select the shapefile of the study area boundary, click Open and then Open again. And the study area boundary in the south of Portugal is added to the project. Let's proceed likewise to add the data of the index. So I'm going to browse my computer and find the data of the index. Again, select the shapefile, click Open, and then we have the locations of the meteorological stations in the south of Portugal with the values of the index. Notice that there is a point location outside the study region. This corresponds to Lisbon, but it is a good idea to keep it for interpolation so that the interpolation will be better, will have more information near the boundary of the study area in this region. Then we have to check if the plugin of the interpolation is installed. So click the plugins menu, search for interpolation, and then if the interpolation plugin is not checked, you have to check it. Click Close. And now let's proceed with the interpolation. Go to the raster menu, select interpolation, and then in the window that pops up, the vector layer is already the layer with the index values, but we have to select the interpolation attribute, which is the R5V. Then click Add. On the right side of the window, you can see that the interpolation method is the inverse distance weighting by default. Let's click on the square button on the right and verify that the power parameter is equal to 2, which is the most common value for P. Next, we are going to change the cell size to 1000 meters, which will be the spatial resolution of the output raster. Then click Set to Current Extent so that the raster extent will be the same as the one we have in the project, and let's save the output raster in some location of the computer. We can select a name for the file, for example RX5Day surface. Click Save and finally click OK. By default, the raster surface appears in grayscale, so let's change it to a color ramp. With the right button, click the layer and select Properties, and then change the render type to single band pseudo color. Going down the menu, we can classify our raster with 5 different colors, but if you prefer, you can change the mode to equal interval and select more classes, for example 10 classes, a ramp with 10 colors. Click OK, and now we have our raster classified with a color ramp with 10 colors. To see the study area boundary on the top of the surface, I'm moving the layer to the top, and I'm going to change the color of the study area to white with a strong transparency. So I'm going to click Properties and then change the color to white. Now to do that, I'm going to change the RGB to 255, so red, green and blue will be equal to 255. Click OK, and as you can see, the color is white, and I'm changing the transparency to about 75%. Click OK, and this is our final surface of the index interpolated by IDW. Thank you.